Always ready.
Morning, Chloe. What have you got there?
Oh. Why did you turn off?
What happened? Oh, I didn't turn it off.
Please
I'm
stop.
on the phone the whole time. Oh no, you know what happened? Blue, it's 10 o'clock. They just put in a new thing that no kids can watch after 10.
Oh, look at him.
Understand that. Blue, under their standards, you're still a kid. Blue, there's nothing I can do to change that.
Come on, turn it on. You have to turn it on.
You're gonna have to talk to them directly. Blue, I don't have their number.
I'm not going to talk to them. I'm going to talk to you, obviously. Come on, turn it on.
I don't think they're gonna change it for you. Where are you going?
Away from you.